I'll just show you how to set the sat nav. Again, any screen, you've got nav up here, so click on nav. There you go, you've got destination at the bottom, and like I said before, the instructions in the corners of the screen correspond to these buttons, and you've got a red light on here, so it's got a bit of a hint for you. So click destination. We've got the street, town and zip. So town and zip is same as postcode really, and then it's got quite a good system. The dial system I like. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR. Now we have to go down to 0 to 9 there to change to numbers. Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR5, which is there, and a 4. So PR5 4JS. Street, centre, I can put a street on. Centre, we're on Chorley Road, so CH, it probably, as soon as I get to H, it probably default to, oh no, we've got to give it another clue. Chorley, CHOR, Chorley Road, click select, Chorley Road, start route guidance, oops, click start route guidance.
Your route is being calculated. Please make a U-turn if possible.
That's it.
Then immediately turn left.
We sat on the forecourt, so I've confused it. But that's it, that's how you set the sat nav.